Happy and excited to introduce CallZila, a mobile application for the neighborhood. Basically, this is a one-in-all app where it provides all the neighborhood information on one touch, on an hour of a week. This includes categories like emergencies, utilities, blood donor search, and services like booking and appointment fixation. Actually, we have a group of people while I was working in Singapore. We consistently meet every weekend and discuss about ideas. So there are a lot of ideas we used to discuss, but we wanted to come up with a solution that touches everyday, normal and common man. So initially we created a list of ideas and we narrowed down to a couple of ideas which we thought of creating a food supply chain portal. Then we wanted to diversify from there, and then we wanted to provide the basic information about the neighborhood for immediate access. So we created a mobile application So we thought of different ranges of domains actually, starting from sports, education, it can be for transportation. Since we thought of creating this idea first, we wanted to create an application that actually easily accessible by a common man, and it is accessible free of cost. So we created a database of Chennai and as well as other metros, where people can download these informations on their mobile phones and can use it on a daily basis. So basically this CallZila, we wanted to, since I mentioned about it should access the common man, we wanted to make it work online as well as offline. So CallZila works offline. The basic requirement is to download the application, and once the data has been downloaded, they can access all this information offline. This is not just one location. Say if it is Chennai, they can access to multiple locations. Say it can be Adyar, they can just download Adyar information, or it can be Srinagar. And while traveling, say if they are moving to Bangalore or any other cities, they can also download this information before they move on to the other city. Basically, they can access the hospital information and taxi numbers, and they can also book taxi and autos. So further, we'll be including tickets booking, payments, and we are also in talks with a couple of government agencies like EB, where people can do payments through this application itself. And we will also be including categories like news and training, where for the search for the training needs actually. Say if in a particular area, if we need to get some training information, so where the tuitions are going on, and what kind of trainings are available. Say it can be music, it can be for sports or anything. So they can search from this application itself. Okay. So the basic functions of the CallZila are emergencies, booking for auto and taxi, and utilities, and blood donor search. So in this, people can register as a blood donor, as well as people can search for blood donors, and they can do a broadcast, or they can share this info to any of their friends or kids and kids. And for the categories like hospitals, police station numbers and all, people can access the local police station number as well as a common number which is available 100, and ambulance and fire service, all these numbers are available. But that is predominantly everyone knows those numbers. But during certain emergencies, we may not know who to call actually. So we probably we can just use this application and make use of it. So the blood donor search it goes like either they can search from the current location or they can choose a different location to search for actually. So the current location, it automatically takes, I mean, the GPS gets a location for the for a particular place. It goes by the radius actually. So for say, I mean, if I'm in a particular hospital, I can search the donor nearby actually. So it takes like 3 kilometers or 5 kilometers of radius, and people can search up to 50 kilometers of radius. It also differentiates whether the donor is a male or female, and they can choose, say, if they are very particular about choosing a donor, say a male donor, they can choose only that particular donor and do a broadcast. It sends an SMS to the particular donor, as well as it also sends an email, as well as a push message if they have a data connectivity. Basically, these are the screenshots of the search, and it also denotes as an icon on the map where exactly they are located. So we will be able to identify whether the particular donor is is nearby. So we can access that that particular donor first actually, instead of going around and calling each and everyone. We are also in talks with certain Rotary Club, where we have we are developing a blood bank management system for them. So we are trying to roll out this blood bank management system to all the NGO blood banks, where we can connect as an ecosystem. So if say a particular donor donates blood in a particular place, all these are captured in this system. So automatically this application will remove those blood donors' name from the list or from the search for the next 3 months. So when they are eligible to donate blood again, so the names will be listed on the application. And this is what the blood requirement. People can share it to other friends, as well as they can do a broadcast from here. Next is the auto and taxi booking. I'm really happy that we have signed up with a couple of taxi operators and auto operators, aggregators. So we have Aishwarya here from Auto Raja, and we have signed up with Namo Auto. And for Namo Auto has extended their support to sign an MOU with us for tracking their autos and meters and other aspects of dispatching. Say for the taxi operators, so far we have signed up with the 20 operators, and we have a fleet of 1,600 taxis under the registration. So it is just a couple of clicks away, people can book taxi. So either they can book for the current booking or for the advanced booking. So anything within 1 hour goes as a current booking, and anything above 1 hour goes as an advanced booking. This actually we provide as a consolidation. So any booking from the city, it goes like a consolidation in a dashboard. It lists all the bookings from different passenger. From it lists from basically the from and to destination, and all the operators who have registered with us can see all these lists. Wherever the fleets are available, they can pick up that particular bookings. It also, the dashboard also provides a couple of other features, like they can summarize where and all the lot of bookings are going on. People can, the operators can efficiently manage their fleets by that. They can plan, okay, which area they can provide taxis. Then from there they will be able to get more bookings from there. Say, for example, if say a particular trip starts from Neelangarai to Adyar, so the taxi operator can easily estimate the time that is to reach particular destination, and they can efficiently plan or inform the passenger to pick up another booking from the destination. So they can easily use this dashboard to plan their fleet, and it also provides a notification. If say a particular taxi provider has a vehicle in Adyar and he wants if any booking happens, he wants to get intimated, this dashboard also will provide an notification for them, wherein they can just choose that particular notification and assign a particular driver, and then the booking gets successfully accessed. We are not charging anything for the application, this mobile application. It's a free to use for all the publics, for all these services. So we also charge a basic transaction fee. There is no one-time fee or subscription fee from the operators. we just get a transaction fee on a successful booking. So this is the screenshots of the taxi booking. So they can choose from a different vehicle, either it can be a hatchback or sedan or SUV, or they can also choose as any vehicle. So it is it's a difference from the book. The person who is booking the particular trip. They can choose the date and time, and the GPS identifies where the location they are starting from, and it also has some updates like they can predefine their home office address, and they can also add a couple of addresses as favorite. And they can also choose a recent pickup address. Okay, they can choose the top address, and then the booking is getting confirmed. And once the booking is confirmed, it gets listed on the dashboard where all the operators will be able to see all these bookings. And say if they have a particular vehicle, they can assign a driver to it. Okay, and then the confirmation goes back to the passenger with the driver number and name. And only upon the successful completion of this transaction, the passenger information goes to the driver. Until then, it is stored on the server itself. It is not disclosed to even for the operators. Okay, basically these are the modes the mobile application works. So basically, one is the mobile app where it has got two different modes, online and offline. What we mean as online is basically with Wi-Fi or 3G or 2G, they can do the booking. The same, using the same application, it can also go via SMS. Say if they don't have data connectivity, or if they are in a different place where there is no connectivity at all, they can use the basic SMS functionality. They will still be using the application. So for the user, it is totally transparent. They will know whether this is going through a data connectivity or through an SMS. So as long as there is no connectivity, the application detects that okay, there is no connectivity. It automatically sends to the SMS. And it is getting processed from the server, and it will be listed on the dashboard for the operator to take up the booking. And people can also book through the web page where they can go to CallZila.com and they can do the booking through the website. And we also provide for the normal phones where there is no smartphones available for those people. We also provide a normal call center facility. People can call up and do the registration. They can just have to define where from where to where they are going, and they can do the booking. Again, the rest of the process is all the same. So this is a snapshot of the dashboard. So it provides all the listings here, booking list, and the green color which shows once they click on the advanced booking or current booking on the top, it will list all the different colors. If it is a current booking, it will list all the bookings as blue, and if it is green, it will show as all the blue ones. Green ones are for the advanced booking. So on the left side there is a summary. Basically, it provides how many bookings are happening in different areas. So there is a filter available on the dashboard for the operators to choose the area. So if say my list of taxis are flying in certain areas, I want to know how many bookings are happening in that area so that I can plan efficiently. I can just filter those areas alone. Then it will list all the number of bookings from and to in a different summary. And there is a notification column available here where if I just choose a particular area or a couple of areas, it will provide all the notification on the dashboard itself. On clicking this particular notification, it will highlight on the booking list, and then they can assign a driver on one click. So the application can be downloaded from Play Store. We have launched only for Android as of now, and in first quarter we will be releasing it for iOS and Windows. So this is about the CallZila, and moving forward in 2015. We are launching two more products, basically which is a security related product. Again, it is for mobile and online services. This is basically the mobile device management for corporate and parenting control. So nowadays there is a lot of bring your own device kind of concepts are coming up. Since people are bringing their own personal devices to the corporates, that needs to be tracked and monitored what kind of data they are holding and what kind of data they are sharing with others. So this secured application will remotely manage those devices. A basic service is made to be installed on the device, and this will monitor from the remote side what are the applications they are installing, what are the applications they are uninstalling, how long they have been using that application, and what kind of data they are transferring to another, either through email or any other means. So all this will be tracked from the device itself, from the remote place itself, from the corporate. And from the remote admin, people can install any software that the corporate wants to deliver for their staffs to use it. They can do a remote installation using this mobile device management. This is one of the apps that we are going to release in first quarter of next year. And we also have a partnership with one of the company called 18 Degrees Lab Singapore. A couple of research scientists from A-Star Research Institute have spun off a company, 18 Degrees Lab. They have a patented solution which is called, somewhat similar to two-factor authentication. So most of you know about two-factor authentication, or you have used two-factor authentication such as OTP or a dongle that banking and financial institution provides. So this solution is used for a higher security. Compared to two-factor authentication like OTP and the dongle, it is more secure actually. So we are in talks with Union Bank of India and the State Bank of India for a pilot launch in first quarter. So this is another app. So I believe the product is really interesting, and we need your help to promote this app and to reach to the common people. Thank you.